Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best kids watering cans available in the market, the Melissa & Doug Sunny Patch Giddy Buggy watering can. Designed to spark imagination and nurture the love for gardening in young ones, this watering can isn't just a toy. It's a gateway to endless outdoor fun. Let's start with what makes this watering can so special. Crafted with durable plastic and featuring a delightful Giddy Buggy design, it's both sturdy and visually appealing. The flower-shaped spout adds a whimsical touch, perfect for engaging young gardeners. The ergonomic handle ensures easy gripping for little hands, promoting motor skills development. And at just 10 inches in height, it's perfectly sized for children aged 3 and up. This isn't just playtime. It's an opportunity for kids and families to explore the wonders of gardening together. Now, let's talk specifics. The Melissa & Doug Sunny Patch Giddy Buggy watering can measure 6 inches in diameter and 7 inches in width, weighing a mere 0.2 kilograms. Its vibrant colors and sturdy construction make it a favorite among parents looking to introduce their kids to gardening early on. Having tested it out ourselves, we found that the Giddy Buggy watering can is not only fun but educational too. It encourages responsibility and nurtures a sense of care for plants. Imagine your little one joyfully watering their own little garden. This can make that experience even more magical. Compared to other similar products, like the Melissa & Doug offering stands out for its blend of durability, aesthetic appeal, and ease of use. While some might opt for simpler designs, the Giddy Buggy watering can brings an element of whimsy that enhances the overall play experience. So, should you invest in the Melissa & Doug Sunny Patch Giddy Buggy watering can? Think about it. Absolutely, especially if you're looking to foster a love for gardening in your child. Its combination of durability, thoughtful design, and educational value makes it a worthwhile addition to any young gardener's toolkit. That wraps up our review of the Melissa & Doug Sunny Patch Giddy Buggy watering can. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products that matter to you. Until next time, happy gardening! Feel free to adjust the script as needed to match your channel's style and format. Enjoy creating your video.